Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, your go-to place for all things chess. In today's video, we'll explore an unorthodox yet intriguing setup, the Hedgehog System variation of the Reti Opening. As always, your likes, shares, and comments are highly appreciated. The Hedgehog System is not a specific opening, but rather a setup that can arise from multiple openings, including the Reti. Today we'll see how it appears from the Reti Opening. This setup is all about maintaining a solid and flexible pawn structure, ready to strike back when the opportunity arises. The Hedgehog System, named for its prickly and defensive nature, revolves around creating a flexible and resilient pawn structure. Typically, the pawns are on the second and third ranks, creating a hedgehog structure that can spike the opponent if they advance prematurely. Now let's look at the first 8 moves of both players in more detail. 1. Knight f3. Knight f6. White and black both develop knights. White's knight move is a common beginning for the Reti Opening. 2. c4, e6. White makes a pawn move aiming for central control. Black responds by preparing to liberate his d8 bishop. 3. g3, d5. White is preparing to fianchetto the bishop, while black pushes d5, contesting the center. 4. Bishop g2, bishop e7. Both sides continue their development. White fianchettos the bishop, and black develops the king's bishop. 5. Castle, castle. Both sides castle to safeguard their kings. 6. b3, c5. White prepares to fianchetto the other bishop, while black pushes c5, challenging white's pawn on c4. 7. Bishop b2, knight c6. Both sides continue to develop. White fianchettos the queen's bishop, while black develops the queen's knight. 8. e3, queen c7. White adds more support to the d4 square, preparing for a possible future push, which is a key part of the Hedgehog System. Here's an interesting fact. The Hedgehog System is a favorite among players who prefer a hypermodern approach to the game. It is characterized by its flexible pawn structure and the potential for powerful counterattacks. The Hedgehog System in the Reti Opening offers a flexible and strong setup that can lead to rich middle game positions. As always, remember, understanding the fundamental ideas behind an opening or setup will guide you far better than memorizing specific sequences of moves. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Hedgehog System of the Reti Opening. Don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more insightful content. Until next time, keep thinking, keep playing, and see you in the next video.